How to change password of Splitwise account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change password of Splitwise account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Splitwise. After you open up your Splitwise, you can head over to the account section on the bottom right. So after you're here, you will see your account right here. Tap on that and you should be on your account settings. On your account settings, you'll find your name, email, phone number, password, and other details. What you can do is right under password, you will see the edit option. Tap on edit. Now, all you have to do is type in your current password and then simply create a new password by creating a new password, not the old one. Then tap on save changes and your password will get reset. And that's how you can change password of Splitwise account. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye.